Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the best baker of them all? Hello? Hello? Are you on? Hello? Hello? Amazon. Every time. The answer is Josh. Where is that Snow White?
Josh the baker, can he bake it?
Maybe.
Josh the baker, can he bake it?
Maybe.
Josh the baker.
Hey y'all, it's fall. Welcome to a very spooktacular episode of my show. I know that I've been away for a while, but I'm back and I'm better than never. I love fall. Fall is a season where everyone is in sweaters, everyone is eating soup, tortilla soup, split pea soup, matzo ball soup, minestrone, lots of pumpkins that you roast, pumpkins that you eat, pumpkin seeds, pumpkin bread, pumpkin from Flavor of Love. Fall is easily one of my favorites because of Halloween. Boo! 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 I took Halloween very seriously. Trick or treat, it's me, Ellen. Trick or treat, it's me, Hillary Rodham Clinton. Trick or treat, it's me, Jennifer Lawrence. Trick or treat, it's me, Julianne Hough of Dancing with the Stars fame. Trick or treat, it's me, Michelle Williams. Not the one from Destiny's Child. Trick or treat, it's me, Lori Loughlin, when she doesn't get her hair done in prison. I would divvy up all my candy into little plastic bags and I would lock it in a treasure chest. I would take that 10-pound loot of candy and I would save it for 2 days. Trick or treat, it's me, Sia. Trick or treat, it's me, Lady Gaga. Trick or treat, it's me, Cruella DeVille. Trick or treat, it's me, Lori Loughlin. One of my favorite Halloween candies are those caramel apple lollipops. I can't tell you how many fillings those lollipops have ripped out of my teeth, but it is worth it every time. My love for fall, Halloween, and candy have merged together to create a bake that is truly one of my favorites. Today, I will be making caramel apple cider snickerdoodle cookies. Let's bake. Let's book. Ooh, let's bake. Ooh. Doesn't that sound like a nice fall evening? Like a fall wind? It sounds spooky, like a ghost is floating through the air. I'm gonna get you and I'm gonna haunt you. All right, start by sifting flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt. Next, add in a packet of instant apple cider and whisk the dry ingredients together. In a stand mixer, begin creaming butter and sugar for about 5 minutes until light and fluffy, like me. Be sure to scrape down sides and then add in eggs, vanilla, and mix for 2 more minutes. Lastly, add in the dry ingredients and mix until fully incorporated. At this point, the dough is done and you can refrigerate it for about 20 minutes. In a small bowl, stir sugar, cinnamon, and another packet of apple cider together. Here's the fun part. Take a small piece of dough and stuff it with your favorite caramel. I used Werther's, but you can make your own or buy some down at the boardwalk or something. Then roll into a ball and double coat it with the cinnamon sugar apple cider mixture. Next, place the dough on a lined cookie sheet and bake for about 11 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's cut to Josh for some tips. Here's a tip. Want to punch up your favorite recipes with the taste of fall? Add one of your favorite powdered drink mixes into the mix. This way, you won't add in any unnecessary moisture. Want to jazz up your favorite chocolate chip cookie dough recipe? Throw in some hot cocoa mix. Want to make some killer pizza dough? Throw in some powdered Frankenstein skin. Here's a tip. Don't have any cream of tartar? Add some lemon juice. Add some tartar sauce. Throw in a fish and call it a day. Here's a tip. If you think I'm annoying, turn it off. Dance break. Trick or treat. It's me, a mummy. Trick or treat. It's me, Cousin It. Trick or treat, it's me, a burrito. Trick or treat, it's me, the girl from the ring. Cookies are done. When these cookies come out of the oven, they are ooey, they are gooey, they are booey, you know, for Halloween. They are truly a dream. One of the reasons I love baking is because I love sharing with my friends. Let's hear what they have to think about this cookie.
Oh, gooey caramel in the middle. It's got just a little bit of tang from the apple cider. They're actually heavenly. I've had 3. I've had now 4.
Amazing. It's really good.
She can't even eat gluten, and she's eating this cookie, so I feel like that says a lot.
This is like the best cookie I've ever had. You know how like in the hood they say it'll make you want to slap your mama? This cookie will make you want to slap your mama.
It was fine. I've had better.
As you can see, these cookies will make you fall in love. See you next time.
Josh the baker, can he bake it?
Maybe.